I'm Jennifer Angel. These are your stars for March, Sagittarius. Now for your overall month, your personal life, your family, your social situation are going to take your attention this month. It's also a good time to get ahead with business, and what I mean by that is just to get yourself organized. Okay, now let's have a closer look at your career and money. Now you can connect with someone from the past over this month as well who can open doors for you, so watch out for them. And another good reason why you just never burn your bridges, but I'm sure you know that, Sagittarius, so you just never know when someone's going to come back in your life and be able to help you in some way. Now you want to mix with people around your business that are on the same page as you, people that you really feel connected with and you really understand each other, and when you do this, then they can help you breathe new life back into your work. It's a good month to get your plans in place, so get set, get organized. Mercury is retrograde at the moment, yes, again, or still, and it's going to be retrograde right through the 18th, so we need to give it a couple of days till the 20th, so which means when Mercury is retrograde, it's a very good time to research, gather knowledge, do planning, tweak your goals, and just get yourself organized, okay, and get ahead. Now, love and romance. So, family, as I said earlier, are going to demand your attention. So, however, don't be too quick to jump in and fix their problems, okay? If you do that, it could lead to disharmony. And also, sometimes people don't want their problems fixed. I mean, they really just want somebody to talk to, get it off their chest, and to feel validated that they've been heard. And when you jump in and try and fix the problem, then it can just set up conflict that's happening between you and that other person, because they go, no, you don't really understand. The other thing that can happen when you try to fix people's problems is you don't allow them to work through it themselves at their own pace, in their own way, so they can learn their own life lessons. Okay, so, and particularly with Mercury retrograde this month, it's a good time just to be a good listener, so keep that in mind. All right, now Venus is in your 5th house on the 22nd, so it joins Mars, and this is time when love can start, so a love affair can take place and just spark off during this time. So you might like to just put your head up from the desk and from work and family issues and get out there and be social this month as well. And my angel advice for Sagittarius for March is don't be too impulsive, think first, and be a bit more strategic with what you do, how you do it, and when you do it. Okay, have a great month, Sagittarius. I'm Jennifer Angel. Thanks for watching.